Guys, remember that bird?
No, they don't. I didn't upload that video.
Oh. Well, guys, that bird is the bird who can get to her cage by power. Watch her run. Watch her soar. Watch her go to the little door. Da 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 da. Turn on the lights. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. You can do it, Batbird. Yeah, too tight. You can do it, Batbird. Yeah. Batbird. Covered metal. Batbird. Oh no, Greenbird did it. Let's see if Batbird can. Yeah, she made it! Woo! Let's see if she can do it. She's almost in there. Close the door. We don't want them in there. Now on to Baby Bird's getting chased. This is not good time. This is not blah blah time. It's bad time because the big giant is here to kill Baby Bird. Now we must get her onto the queen throne in order to get her. We put it behind the fire because here's one fact about Baby Bird. All baby birds like the hotness. So yeah, let's go back to Big Bird. Let's go back to Batbird. Now she got in. The giant locked them into a cage with a bow. Does this mean he's giving it as a present? Find out in the next episode of Bird Time.